Hey, hello guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can start a YouTube channel from scratch. Wow, it's gonna be an exciting journey. I know you guys, before you do that, you've been missing me and I'm here and I've been missing you too. So before you do that, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified every time we post videos like this. Yes. So the first thing that you have to do is to have a Gmail account. Make sure that you create a Gmail account, and I'm going to teach you to show you how you can actually do that on your mobile device. Let's get started. So guys, right now we head on to Play Store. We are going to use this application to install Gmail, and Gmail is the app that we are going to use to create our Google account. So yeah, right now for me, I already installed Gmail in my phone, so I'm just going to open it. It's now open. Then I go into the top right corner right there, and then I click that because there's already another Gmail account that is already there. Then I come here, and then I scroll down to the bottom, and then I click add new account. So this is where I'm going to add a new Gmail account. Once I'm done that, setting up is so easy. I'll come back and open my YouTube channel, and you see right now it's opening Google sign in. Then I put on my login credentials for the Gmail that I've already created in my Gmail account. That would be my Google account. That's the one that I'm going to use for my YouTube channel. So right now it's opening. Congratulations, you have finally made it to the end of this video, and you guys, don't forget to leave a like and share this video. Please subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.